So one thing that I came to a conclusion on early in my career was I wanted to use technology to provide better care. And so in our offices, you will find some of the most advanced dental technology out there because it allows us to do our job better, more thoroughly, and ultimately to solve a patient's problems in a more efficient and better fashion. And so when we look at the different dental technologies that are out there, there's not much that our offices don't have. What has evolved over the years is our ability to utilize them to new levels. And it's been great to see how connections are made. So the different dental technologies that we use on a daily basis would be 3D imaging. We have a CT machine in each office, and that CT machine allows us to see a three-dimensional view of the jaw and the supporting structures under the teeth. We take digital x-rays of the individual teeth. We also have digital impressions, and so that allows us to take not the goo impressions in patients' mouths anymore, but to use a camera that's calibrated down to the accuracy of a piece of hair. We can use that to capture records of the patient's mouth. We can use that to make crowns or bridges, veneers, all sorts of different things with that. In our offices also, we have invested in having in-house mills. And so if we are taking digital impressions and it's a good solution in the office, we'll take that and we'll be able to design a crown for most patients, same visit, fabricate that crown, and send that patient home with that crown that day. It's a process that still, after all these years, gets me and it gets our office excited because there's no more temporaries or other things like that, which the office didn't love and the patients didn't love. We have a fair amount of other technologies like 3D printing, different types of camera things that we will use. We try to use technology just to do it better and faster, all in an effort to solve a patient's problem just better. And I think that's really, if you ask us what was unique about us, and that would be our dedication to that, is we want to think outside of the box. We want to use our technology and find ways of just solving that patient's problem in a better way for them so that they can get back to their life and not have to think about teeth. And so these technologies have become critical for us, and I can't at this point really imagine doing dentistry the traditional ways that we were always taught in school. So we're real big on technology.